Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to create an EC2 instance. So come to EC2 dashboard and click on instances and then click here launch instance, right? So provide here name EC2 instance, right? Okay, now here you can see few AMIs, right? So if you are not able to find your image, so you can also browse here, right? So you can search your Windows and Linux and Mac AMIs, right? In this scenario I have selected Ubuntu. Okay, select, click on select, create a new key pair, my key. Okay, so my key is already 1. Okay, create key pair. So if you have already created your VPC subnet and so you can edit here and select here your created VPC, right? And also select and click here for created click here for select your existing subnet which you have already created. If you haven't created any subnet or any VPC, so you can go with default VPC, right? And make sure the auto assign public IP is enabled for the internet. Okay, so let's create a security group. Okay, you can give here the name. I'm going with default. So SSH TCP is already added. Okay, so now click on launch instance. Click on instance, EC2 dashboard and refresh the page. Come to instance running, right? So this one is running state. So we have to wait for 2 moments until the 2x2 check is shown here. Click here connect. Just wait for a moment. Here you go. EC2 instance is created and connected successfully, right? Okay friends, thanks for your support, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.